Today's episode of Wrench Every Day is a real drag. Okay, I have never driven on a drag strip. I've been in cars going down the drag strip, but this is my first time racing. I have no idea what to expect. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I do know that I'm gonna have fun and indulge myself in this huge part of car culture. Now, I have no idea what to expect out of this car. I'm not even familiar with what a typical quarter-mile time is in an ST, but I'm just gonna let her rip, tater chip. I'm gonna let her eat. I'm gonna bog deep, and we'll see what happens. I would like to be in the 13s, but we will see. So before I hit the track, I wanted to give a huge thanks to our sponsor for today's video, which is Kove Speakers.
Kove is all about making killer audio portable. Their Stride Bluetooth headset tunes out ambient sound with noise cancellation and produces outstanding sound for up to 7 hours on a single charge. They have a water resistance rating of IPX7, a 30-foot range thanks to Bluetooth 4.1, a microphone for phone calls, and USB charging. The Kove Commuter is a portable speaker with a 30-foot range and the power to fill a room with sound thanks to its indoor and outdoor modes. This mobile audio powerhouse has a built-in X-Bass subwoofer delivering crisp, punchy lows at volumes that will surprise you. It's also very easy to use with a large rotating volume knob and a swipe to skip feature that puts you in control.
I'm gonna use this little bad boy while I'm sitting in the staging lanes to rock out to some tunes and not drain my battery or heat soak my motor. Listen to the sound quality on this thing. Check this out. That really helps drown out all the racing that's going on outside of my car. This thing really works well. I'm gonna slap it right here in my cup holder and let her rip. We are all staged up for the first run.
All right, nice job. Toyota pickup truck coming up here. Sounds like a 2-0.
Alrighty. We are basically at the front of the staging line, and we're about to hit the old drag strip. Looks like I might be racing a right-hand drive Acura, Honda Integra, the newer body style. It looks like it's a Type R. I don't know anything about it. I don't know if it's a swap or what. Or no, maybe I might be right. Oh gosh. Looks like I might be racing a Charger instead. Good. Very good. All right, I'm going to disengage traction control completely. We'll let the tires do the talking here. Yo, that Integra's sick. We're gonna bypass the burnout box here. Tear me up, but it's okay. I ain't here to race. I'm just here to see what I can do. Okay. Oh, they're on the phone. Okay, maybe traction control next time. Yeah, traction control next time for sure. I don't know why I'm looking in my mirror like someone's gonna come up next to me. Oh man, that was funny. Well, let's see how we did. Let's see what the damage is. Thanks. Okay. A 15.9 at 92 miles an hour. We gotta do better. Look at these things. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, so we're staged up for the second run, and what do I run into? Another ST bro. This is Garrett. Nice turnaround, nice dramatic turnaround. So basically you were saying you have pretty much a stock ST with just a catback exhaust, and you ran a faster time than I did. Your time was a 15:40. I was a 15:09, so you're already ahead of me by like half a second. This is basically a McLaren. So
it drops like 1, 2.
yeah, right. So it's your first time at the strip as well.
Yeah, first time ever.
Sweet. So we're ST Bros first time track day adventure. I'm excited to see what kind of time we are going to run for our second go, but I'm not really sure what's taking so long for the track to get up and running. Alrighty, time to do the second run. Let's do this. All right, so I'm going to turn off the in-car traction control. So that's off. I'm going to go into my little access port here, switch on the stratified traction control. Got to work on my launch. That's my big area of improvement. Launch. Looks like I'm going up against a Challenger now. Going up against all these Mopars, man. Messing me up. Got a Jeep SRT8 versus Khalid in his silver C6 Corvette. Met him when we were staged for this second run here. So we'll get to see what he runs as we pull up to the tree. Oh, deep stage. Nice, nice. .6, and he did a 13:13. Khalid, killing it. Good stuff, my dude. Spinning tires, non-stop tire spinning. That was awful. I think I'm just gonna leave traction control on this time, guys. If I end up making another run. All right. Good, very good. Now that's clutch too. That is clutch. This is not a car meant for drag racing, and I'm not a driver meant for drag racing. It does feel like my clutch is fried. Well, good. I guess we're gonna do a clutch video now on this car. Great. Just great. Well, I think I'm gonna call it a night there. I'm pretty sure the clutch overheated, didn't totally burn out. I'll find out on the way home.
You'll never guess what I found out on the way home. My clutch is toast.
But you know, I'm gonna call it. I'm not gonna chance it. So thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like, comment, click that notification bell, and you know, wrench every day or something. I think that's what it's called, wrench every day.